Hey everybody, my name is Philip Lomeo, and today I'll be showing you what I've been doing for the themes for Peter and the Wolf. So, first off, I think you noticed that I've been mixing some of the themes with different animal sounds. So, let me just, first off, as you know, our hero, the little boy Peter, his theme is by the strings. Whoop! Let me do that. There we go. Sorry about that. Alright, I didn't do anything for the theme for Peter, but watch what I'm gonna do to the bird. And now, the duck. And the cat. And Peter's grandfather, as you know, Peter's grandfather is by the bassoon. Now, the shooting of the hunter's guns is by the kettle drums, and watch what I'm gonna do after I play the hunter's gunshots. Alright, now you saw for the bird, I played the sound effect of a bird chirping, and for the duck, I played a YouTube video of a duck quacking in a barn, which is white, and for the cat, I played some kittens and cats meowing on YouTube, this video of course, and you just saw for the hunter's gunshots, I played the hunter's gunshots sound effects from Bambi, and I saved right now, I'm going to show you what I've been doing for the theme for the wolf. I'm going to be using a sound effect from the Haunted Mansion, one of my favorite rides at Disney World and Disneyland. So what do you think? You like my ideas? So, that's pretty much what I wanted to show you. So, see you all in my next video.